Hi guys, and welcome back to the HowMuchTech channel. When it comes to building a compact yet powerful PC, Mini ITX cases are the way to go. They offer a great balance of size, performance, and customization, perfect for creating a small but powerful build. In today's video, we'll be looking at the best Mini ITX cases on the market, highlighting what makes each one stand out. All the cases mentioned are linked in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Corsair 2000D Airflow. The Corsair 2000D RGB Airflow stands out as one of the best Mini ITX cases, which doesn't compromise on cooling performance despite its small footprint. Its design focuses on maximizing airflow, featuring removable mesh panels and a cooling-optimized interior. This case is a dream for enthusiasts who want to build a compact yet powerful gaming rig. It supports an impressive number of cooling options, including up to 8 120mm or 2 140mm fans and multiple radiators. For those invested in the Corsair ecosystem, the 2000D RGB Airflow's compatibility with ICE devices is a significant plus, offering integrated lighting and fan control. This case is ideal for gamers and enthusiasts looking to build a high-performance system in a compact form factor. It's particularly appealing and one of the best Mini ITX cases for those who want to showcase their build without sacrificing cooling efficiency. Although it may be a bit noisy for some because of it. Number 4. Fractal Design Terra. The Fractal Design Terra brings a refreshing aesthetic to the Mini ITX case market, combining elegance with practical design. Its walnut finish and aluminum construction offer a unique look, moving away from the typical gaming-centric, RGB-laden cases. The case supports Mini ITX motherboards and comes with a single pre-installed fan, optimizing airflow in its compact frame. Despite its small size, the Terra provides sufficient space for essential components without feeling cramped. It supports up to 3 expansion slots, allowing for decent customization options for a Mini ITX build. It's particularly suited for builds that do not require extreme CPU power or extensive storage options, making it ideal for users who prioritize aesthetics and compactness over ultra-high performance. The Fractal Terra is an excellent choice for those looking for a stylish, compact PC case that doesn't scream gamer. It's perfect for home office setups or living room PCs, where the design is as important as functionality. Number 3. Lian Q58. The Lian Q58 stands out in the best Mini ITX case discussion for its innovative design and flexibility. It supports both ATX and SFX power supplies, giving users more choices for their build. Despite its compact size, it accommodates up to 320mm long GPUs, making it suitable for high-end gaming setups. For those who prioritize aesthetics along with performance, the Q58 doesn't disappoint. Its elegant exterior, combined with a well-thought-out interior, allows for impressive custom water cooling setups and neat cable management. The case's side panels are made of tempered glass and ventilated steel, providing both a sleek look and efficient cooling. Ideal for enthusiasts who want a small form factor without compromising on power or looks, the Lian Q58 is an excellent choice for building a powerful yet compact gaming rig or a stylish workstation. Number 2. Fractal Design Ridge. The Fractal Design Ridge channels the classic rectangular, sleek look of the Xbox and PlayStation, helping your PC fit right at home next to your gaming TV. This compact case is slightly cramped, as is to be expected, but ready to house up to 4 2.5-inch SSDs or hard drives and a graphics card up to 325mm. You'll only be able to fit an SFX or SFXL power supply into this narrow case, though those small dimensions make it easier to grab and go places. When it comes to cooling, the Fractal Design Ridge is ready to keep most builds' temperatures in check, but you may want something a little roomier if you've got a top-tier processor or graphics. The case's sides offer perforations for airflow, and a ventilated fabric front gives it the look of a speaker, especially when you go for the vertical over horizontal orientation. Inside, you get limited fan options with 2-aspect 140mm PWM included, while there's a relatively short CPU cooler clearance of 70mm. Number 1. Fractal Design Torrent Nano. The Fractal design Torrent Nano enables ITX builds closer to those of traditional mid-tower PC cases. That's thanks to its larger than average size, making it easier to build in and allowing for more standard components. You can even squeeze in a 200mm ATX power supply and up to a triple-slot 335mm graphics card. It also features a unique front panel design and mesh throughout for ample airflow, while a side glass panel lets you show off components. Of course, the Torrent Nano comes in clutch for cooling opportunities. There's a 180mm front intake fan, along with the ability to mount up to 2 additional 120mm fans at the bottom and one 120mm fan at the rear. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.